डोईवरी तेजोवलई किरणे झेलीत अंधार तुडवीत चालल. संचितांचे पूर्वाशीर्वादे पाठीवरी ओझे वाढवीत चाल. ठाव घेता घेता ना तुझा ठाव ठिकाणा, दारी अंधारही अंधार सारा. डोईवरी तेजोवलई किरणे झेलीत अंधार तुडवीत चाललो मी. संचितांचे पूर्वाशीर्वादे पाठीवरी ओझे वाढवीत चाललो मी. ऐकले न ऐकले मैलो न मैलातली अर्थ किंकाळी, क्रांतीचे काजवे धुंडीत चाललो मी. ठाव घेता घेता ना तुझा ठाव ठिकाणा, दारी अंधारही अंधार सारा.
Tuka Jadhav was engulfed by darkness and despair when he lost his eyesight. Rangdeep is the story of an artist's voyage of self-discovery to find his inner light of insight, to reclaim his lost world of beauty and color.
अजंठा आणि वेरूळची कला ही माझ्या कला जीवनाची रोहिणी आणि नीला मानतो. मी त्यांचा सखोल अभ्यास करून असंख्य रेखाटने बनवली. त्यावेळे मला असं वाटलं की अद्वितीय कलाकृती कॉपी करून माझी चित्रपद्धती विकसित होणार नाही. मी माझं स्केचबुक वाघोरी नदीमध्ये टाकून दिलं. पाण्यात उमटलेल्या स्केचबुकचे तरंग मी पाहतच राहिलो आणि माझ्या डोळ्यात पाणी वाहू लागलं. गहिवरून गेलो. जीवनधारा एक प्रवाह आहे आणि त्याचाच मी ठाव घेतो आहे. हा प्रवाह मी रंगरूपात आविष्कृत करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो आहे. मायावर विजय संपादन करणाराच महान प्रतिभावंत बनू शकतो.
Born in 1957 in the small village of Raulasgaon in Beed district of Aurangabad, he was named after the Saint Tukaram and was a child prodigy. From his mother's barley paintings, he discovered the magic alchemy of colors. As a poor schoolboy, the World Heritage Sites of Ajanta Ellora became his nursery. Overcoming drought and famine, Tuka came to the JJ School of Art in Mumbai, where his talent was nurtured by Dean Sambhaji Kadam and others. Tuka fulfilled his promise by winning the prestigious Bendre Hussain Award of the Mumbai Art Society in its centenary year in 1989. But just as his sun was reaching its zenith, there came the darkness of the eclipse. Tuka began to lose his vision to a hereditary problem called retinopigmentosa. In the 20 years since then, Tuka has lost nearly 90% of his eyesight, but he still continues to explore new frontiers of abstract art illuminated by his inner vision of insight. Tuka's progression from his earliest sketches to graphics, portraits, figuratives, and abstracts is a fascinating mosaic of his evolution as an artist. The seed has become a singing tree.